This is how to add logo into Opus Clip video. So guys, of course, first thing that you will do is upload your video via link or manually upload it over here and click on this get clips in one click, and it will upload it over here to all project and simply click on it. And now guys, your video will be created into multiple clips. So now just simply select the clip that you prefer and go for edit clip over here. And now from here, just simply go ahead and go to the static overlay over here on the right side of the screen. So guys, from here, make sure the static overlay is turned on. And if it's turned off, you shouldn't be able to see the upload file button. So click on this choose file. And now just simply upload your logo. So I will be using our logo here as an example and click on open. And now just simply wait for it to load up, guys. And from here, when you click on your logo, you should be able to see this circle black icon. So just simply resize it based on your preferences and just simply put it where do you want it to be. And now you should be able to put a logo into your short. So from here, make sure to click on save changes as well on the top right corner of the screen to apply the changes. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about Opus Clip, and thanks for watching, guys. See ya!